how to edit links on the Unlimited Creative Agency Business for Sale, on Webflow by Startup Streams. Right now I'll cover how to change the header links, how to change the footer card links, how to change the footer navigation links, how to add and delete links in the footer, how to make a Buy Me a Coffee payment page on Stripe and how to add it to your store, how to change and edit social media links, and how to add links in rich text across your website. So let's dive in right now to the designer to change the header links. I'm going to click on the navbar item I want to edit until the settings gear icon appears. I'll click on the settings gear icon, select the icon to add a link to a URL, and I can paste any new URL here. I also have the option to change the basic URL link to a specific page, phone number, open an email, a page section, or an asset such as an image. You can also choose whether you want the link to appear in the same or a new tab in your store visitor's browser, and you can change the link text to your liking. Header link done. Next, the footer card links. So I'll scroll down to the footer card section, named footer bracket instance. I'll click on the top card, open the navigator panel on the left hand side, click the first footer card with the link icon next to it. Then in the link block settings section on the right hand sidebar, you can paste a new URL or choose another link type as before. Repeat for the remaining footer cards as necessary. And to change the footer navigation links, click on the navigation link you want to change until the settings gear icon appears for the desired class. Click on the settings gear icon and paste in the link you want here, or choose a link type as before. Change the link type to your liking. To add a new link in the footer section, I simply need to click on an existing navigation link, copy, paste. I'm just clicking Ctrl-C, then Ctrl-V on my keyboard to do this, or you can right click, then a new link will appear below. Then I can edit as appropriate. To delete a link, I just need to click on the one I want to delete and click delete. The other rows will move upwards to fill the space. Now you may have noticed the Buy Me a Coffee button in the footer too, so what's that about? Well, this is a nice idea from a Startup Streams customer who said they added a similar link on a previous store as they found their friends and family wanted to support their new business without wanting or needing to buy their services. Meaning after you have launched your website, you can invite your friends and family to go to the footer and buy you a coffee to show love and support your new business. Who knows, you may raise enough money to invest into a new ads campaign. So we currently have a placeholder link to show you how it's done, but to make your own page we're going to use Stripe, which is a great payment processor available in most countries. But you can do the same with any payment processor you prefer, like PayPal for instance. You can use any payment processor for this, which allows product payment pages via a link. But for now, let's continue with Stripe. So first thing, if you don't already have a Stripe account, sign up for a free account, which only takes a few minutes. Then, from your Stripe dashboard, click More, next Product Catalog, Add Product. Add a name, description and image, which is optional. Add the price and the currency. So I googled the average price for a Starbucks in the UK for the price I display here. Select the billing period as one time, then save product. To find the link to the new product payment page I just made, from the product details page, I need to click Create Payment Link. Then I need to review settings, not a lot to change here. You can edit the colours and your logo in the branding section in Stripe settings. Create link, then copy to dashboard. Stripe payment page done. To now add our link to our website, click on Buy Us a Coffee. Open the navigator panel on the left hand side and make sure Footer by Us is selected with the link icon next to it. In the link block settings section on the right hand sidebar, change the URL to the Stripe page URL. Your friends and family can now support your business without needing to pay for monthly design services. Next, to change the social media links, click on the social media link icon you wish to edit. Open the navigator panel on the left hand side, make sure that the footer 9 social link is selected with the link icon next to it. In the link block settings section on the right hand sidebar, select an icon to add a link to a URL and paste the URL here to your social media page. Repeat for the remaining social media icons as necessary. You can also delete links by clicking on a social media icon, then click delete on your keyboard. And lastly, you can add links on any CMS section, CMS standing for Content Management System, as long as the section is a rich text field. So in the designer, click on the CMS icon on the left hand sidebar, select the asset you wish to edit, for example, blog collections, click on the name of the article you wish to edit, then in the rich text section of the blog post editor, Select and highlight the area of text you wish to add a link. This can be a word or an entire line of text. Once highlighted, click on the text link icon which appears, enter the URL of the link, then click Save. And a quick note, if you want to know the URL of any CMS page, you can find the link to any CMS section under the slug at the top of the CMS page editor. And that's how you can go about changing links on your website. I'll see you in the next Explainer video.